We have created hundreds of explainer videos for a broad spectrum of industries, and we are catering to leading global brands. This extensive experience has given us deep insights into creating successful explainer videos. Our scriptwriters and editors thoroughly understand your solution before starting the production. This enables us to choose the most relevant creatives, animation styles, assets, and themes that resonate with your target audience and achieve the desired results. Explainer videos usually have a lifespan of about 2 to 3 years. So to future-proof your video, we use most advanced assets, infographics, and animation styles that are ahead of their time and stay relevant for years to come.